So you guys want to make $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing without having your own website. Well, listen up. I'm going to show you guys how to do it just like freaking screenshot right here shows you how. Right here. See this screenshot? I'm going to show you guys how to do the same thing.
Welcome to the Roughnecks. I'm Rico, your ecom instructor. I'm a software engineer, a military veteran, and a six-figure ecom seller. I've helped over 400 students on Amazon alone, and thousands more make money online. If you need to know anything about making money, you're going to find it out right here.
Yo, so what's up, guys? If you're new, welcome to the channel. I'm 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘.
Welcome to the Roughnecks.
Rico's Roughnecks!
AKA Rico, and if you guys do not know, we talk all about how to make money online, offline, and everywhere in between. That sounds good to you? Make sure you smash the like button. Go ahead, smash it right now, and then subscribe and click the little notification bell so you can get updated on when I drop the new content, usually Tuesdays and Fridays, just depending on how I feel and what I'm doing. So if you guys also did not know, check the link below, man. Free Mastermind in Miami, February 7th through the 9th. Me and my friends are gonna be hooking you guys up. I'm putting on a mastermind to help you guys make money. It's absolutely free. You ain't got to spend no money other than to fly down and come hang out with us and learn. It's going to be me, Tommy, Paul, Mitch, Anthony's going to be there, my man Ron from 𝗬𝗚𝗟𝗏. Everybody's going to be there, man. It's going to be dope. We're going to hook you up with all the flyest information that you could possibly imagine to get you guys making money online or offline if you choose. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. So you guys want to make $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing without a website. All right, now it's going to involve the dreaded W word, but it's gonna require some work. You gotta put in work. You guys aren't gonna be able to just sit back and make money on autopilot without putting in some hard work, okay? It sucks, all right? It sucks, it absolutely sucks, but you gotta do it. And I'm gonna, address a couple ways that you can break that down. Okay, now, first and foremost, stop trying to throw affiliate offers at people that you don't know anything about, okay? Like, you don't know anything about those people and you don't know anything about the actual product that you're trying to market. Find something that you know a lot about or a product that you trust, okay? ClickBank is a pretty good place for most people to start off. There's tons of offers out there, and I'm pretty sure you use some of them. Now, granted, I don't use ClickBank because affiliate marketing really isn't my thing. I do other things, and we're gonna talk about those. But ClickBank is a very good place to start, or Amazon affiliates, guys. Amazon affiliates is probably the easiest, breeziest way that you can go about making some affiliate cash because everyone shops on Amazon, and chances are you purchased from Amazon within the last 2-3 weeks. So those products that you're using that you find, necessary for your life, you could potentially market it to other people. Okay, so those two places are very good for beginners. Now, obviously, we're gonna get into some of the affiliate offers that I have from other places, but let's break those down. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing without a website. Now, affiliate marketing with a website is much easier because you can become the authority in a space. So let's say you're doing reviews of laptops, right? You can review laptops and have affiliate links, to them through Amazon or another affiliate website and get credit for those sales. But a lot of people don't know how to build a website. It takes a lot of time for your website to rank, and a lot of people don't want to run traffic to their website. They don't have the funds to do so. So how do you get people to see your affiliate offers? Do what Marques Brownlee did. MKBHD? He started a YouTube channel doing tech reviews, and he does have affiliate offers, in there, and he also has tons of other offers from his sponsors and stuff like that. But that's what you can do. You can start, a tech review YouTube channel or Instagram or a Facebook page or group. And then the things that you review, you can put your affiliate offers to. It's probably the most organic way to get sales without having to do anything other than review the stuff that you love to review or show people the things that you love to do. I mean, if you're good with cooking and there's a lot of, affiliate offers for cooking utensils and things like that, well, guess what? You can start a cooking YouTube or Instagram or some form of social media, and people will start buying those products based on your recommendation because you are the expert in that space. You become the expert in your particular niche. You can, get on Facebook, with your friends, which, hopefully you have some friends on Facebook, and if you don't, you need to get some friends, and you can start promoting offers to them. You'll get more sales from people that know you right off the bat than people that do not know you. Okay, so let's say you're friends and you guys are real big into sports. Okay, you guys are real big into sports. You tailgate, you do all types of stuff. Let's say you're tailgating, you guys are doing, some cornhole, right? Some cornhole. Sounds dirty, don't it? But you guys are doing, playing some cornhole out there while you're tailgating. Well, there are plenty of cornhole setups on Amazon, all right? So guess what? you could buy your cornhole setup and you're like, hey guys, I got the cornhole for the next, tailgate, whatever. And then you can post an affiliate link there so people can, an Amazon affiliate link on your Facebook post. So that way people can click, be like, hey, look, man, I'm loving it. You guys should go ahead and buy one. Well, every time someone purchases anything on Amazon within a 24-hour time span, you get credit for that because Amazon places a cookie on the client side, all right, which means they place it on the browser of the individual searching. So now whatever they buy, you get a percentage of. It's not just for the cornhole game, it's also for anything else that they look for on Amazon. That is a beautiful way to have people help you make money and also get the things that they want and need. All right. Now let's talk about the other side of it, which is, kind of where I'm at now, where I don't do a ton of affiliate marketing because, like I said before, it's really not my thing. It has to be organic. I'm not gonna go out of my way and run ads and stuff like that. It's just kind of a pain in the butt. But I do get sponsored by AMZ Scout Pro. All right, I absolutely love AMZ Scout. They are an awesome company. I've been using their software for years. As you guys know, all my videos are done with it. All my students know I use it because that's what I coach them on. I've used other software and other software companies have approached me to, to market their tools. And, while their tools are nice, AMZ Scout is what works for me and it's helped me make all of my money. So that's who I stick with. And in turn, they let me, get the hookup. I get, free software. I get to talk to them directly to, talk about improvements or if I have any problems and all types of other perks. And they also allow me to be an affiliate for them, so if I get a sale through my affiliate link, shameless plug below, you guys get a free, by the way, you get a free trial and you get a huge discount if you buy through that link. All right, especially if you guys buy the full suite. You buy the web app and you buy the Chrome extension. So instead of paying $400, you guys are only gonna spend a little bit less than $200. So yeah, check that out. All right, so with that being said, guys, they sponsor me, they give me all these cool things, and in turn, I promote their product because it's something that I believe in. And that is truly the only way that affiliate marketing is going to work on your behalf is by promoting something that you love and something that you believe in, okay? Now, that product offering is something that I use all the time. So when I'm creating my content, when I'm creating videos to show you guys how to, find products, or when I'm, promoting for them or whatever, it's all organic. People know that I use it. So in turn, they're going to purchase it because they're like, yo, Rico makes a lot of money on Amazon. His clients make a lot of money on Amazon. His students make a lot of money on Amazon. Shit, I might as well buy this software so that way I can make a lot of money on Amazon, right? And, it's a little different because the commissions are higher and because, I have this tie with them and, but that's where you guys are going to try to work towards, okay? You want to find a company that values your input and values your brand as a whole, and you guys can have a mutually beneficial relationship. So now not only are you getting paid, but you're also getting to use things for free. You're getting to test out new softwares, you're getting to go on webinars, you're getting to do all these different things that could make a huge difference for your business and your brand as a whole. Okay, now you're no longer just being an affiliate marketer, now you're being sponsored. And that's where you want to be. When you become the authority in your space, and even though, this channel is small, and even, my other channel, the 𝗬𝗎 channel, is still relatively small, you become an authority in a space on something. Like everyone knows me for private label dropshipping. That is what I am known for. That is just what it is. I promise you, nobody can outdo me on that. And I put that challenge out to anybody, anywhere, anytime. Private label dropshipping is my thing. That's just what it is. So yeah, but I'm the authority in that space, or one of the authorities, I should say. I shouldn't toot my own horn, toot toot. But I'm one of the authorities in that space. And in turn, because I know how to help people make money and because I make money myself, with these products, people trust me and they will purchase that software. They will purchase those products, which helps me make money and helps the software get better because more users are out there using it and they can put, give their input on things that they need. Now, it is not always gonna be as easy. It takes a while. You're gonna spend a lot of time, growing organically and creating a following and a brand and all these other things, but it works very, very well. And I'm not saying that you guys have to get sponsored by AMZ Scout or Jungle Scout or anyone for that matter, anyone in the Amazon space. You can find someone that does it for you. I mean, who knows? You guys can get sponsored by like Skull Candy or something like that, and you do reviews for them. Beats maybe Fashion Nova if you're real big in the fashion space. you know, Fashion Nova, maybe TubeBuddy, if you guys are making YouTube videos and showcasing how you use their product to rank in YouTube search, which I probably should do because I use TubeBuddy like a mofo to help rank some of these videos. And yeah, so work on that, guys. Work on building your brand and work on carrying that out and using free traffic sources, using social media to your advantage. Don't necessarily go out and build a website. You know, you guys want to use free traffic first. If you, like I said, if you're talking about tech, start a tech review YouTube channel, because guess what? You can make money with that. Someone wants to know about the products that you love, that you use on a daily basis. You know, I bought, you know, the Sony mirrorless setup because I saw reviews on YouTube. So the person that I clicked and got, you know, and purchased, you know, through his affiliate link, he got paid, all right? And the same thing can go for you. Okay, that's what you guys should focus on, becoming the authority in your space and using free mediums in order to promote your offers. Don't be scammy though. Like, don't just promote stuff because you want to promote stuff. Like, find stuff that you know a lot about so that way you can showcase your expertise and people will value you for it and they will support you and they'll purchase the things that you recommend because you are the expert in that space. You know, if someone came to me when it comes to photography, you know, my man Chris B back there, if he says, yo, go buy the new Sony A7R Mark IV because it does this and this and this, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go buy it because he said do it, because he's the authority in that space. I mean, who am I to question the authority, right? So think about it, guys. Make sure you go to the free mastermind, by the way. If you haven't checked out the link, click it, you know, register. It's free. It's 100% free, guys. 100% free. It doesn't cost you anything. Just show up. It's Miami, February 7th through the 9th. Just show up. You're gonna have a good time. You're gonna be driving some supercars, maybe get on the yacht, winky to wink. You know, my man Anthony's gonna be there too, teaching y'all some Forex stuff, you know, getting into the day trading side of things. And, you know, like the video. Like all that good stuff. And be sure that you guys subscribe and, you know, click the little notification bell and all that stuff, all right? So, peace out, guys. Be safe, be smart. I'm gonna catch you in the next one.